Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You know what your son asked me?
Nou,
She's 76 now, right?
Nee, 73.
Is hij Nathan?
dankjewel.
Dat is cadeau voor je. Precies wat je hebt gevraagd.
Ah,
Panghugas ng pinggan at saka kopi.
dankjewel.
En ik heb de French press ook maar meegenomen. Maar jij, oh jij hebt er eentje.
Ik heb een klein.
Hi! Uy, wala pa. Uy, magpunta pa dito ang mga visitors ni Omang, mga friends niya. Maghintay pa tayo. Pakita mo OTD mo, be. O, OTD. Oh, ikot.
Mooi.
O, OTD.
Dank je, schatje.
That's exactly what you asked for.
Thank you.
Get our real
Oh,
gift mahal. Sapot
wie is
ka.
er jarig?
Jij,
Ja, en wat heb ik nou hier?
taartjes.
Taartjes, hè?
Oh, what is that?
Vertel.
She told us that she wants the expensive gift. And then after that,
Dit
she
is
tells all her friends like, oh, I want soup for my birthday. Oh, I want the herb butter for my birthday.
Yeah, that's what she
You know
asked
my family.
with the friends.
Alsjeblieft.
Ano, soup, sabaw ang mga hiningi niya.
Dankjewel. Zullen we met
Salad, mga ganyan ba, para hindi na siya mag-prepare pa. And what is that? Oh, looks like an egg.
Is het een ei?
Nee.
Met een mooie strik en paars.
Yan na yung binili natin. Alam niya, good ano yan.
Is het een paars ei?
Nee.
Nee.
En zit er een hele...
Siya talaga nagpili niyan, guys. She chose that, guys. What is that?
Een mooie strik. Vind je het wel een leuk cadeau?
Of course. Beautiful.
Het doet er niet toe of ik het een leuk cadeau vind. Dus het gaat erom of jij het een leuk cadeau vindt.
Tinanong ko kasi siya, anong gusto niya regalo. Tapos nagpunta kami sa city, ba kasama siya. Sabi niya, ito ang gusto ko.
Wow.
Oh, look, Nathan.
Wat is dit voor moois.
Dat is een
Wauw, wat een mooie vaas.
That's the color you want, right?
Ja, nice. I like it. Kus.
Just for
Dank voor
Oma.
het cadeau. En voor je mooie, wat je gemaakt hebt. Je mooie tekening. Hartelijk
Ito, o
dank.
gawa ni Nathan, guys.
Dankjewel. Ik zet het
Alsjeblieft.
daar.
Dus je staat er nog op.
Thank you.
Nou, moet maar even nou.
So, it will be... Oh, so mooi!
Wow.
I love it.
Getting
Mamahalin.
multiple gifts in that corner from
Yeah.
This is your corner.
Yeah. That one also, we gave the to Vika like 6 years ago.
My boyfriend.
My boyfriend.
boorvlind.
Boyfriend van
Mijn
Oma.
vriendje, hè? Dat is oma's vriend. Hij is groter dan papa.
Suot niya o Shein lang din yan.
En wat zie je er mooi uit.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Very nice. Heel mooi.
Nathan is beautiful. Is this from your garden, Vika?
Ja, you like it?
Ja, mooi.
Nou, kijk eens even daar. Komt het toch mooi tot z'n recht.
Ja.
Ja, zeker.
Hartstikke mooi, dank je.
Dat
Leuk
is mooi
hoor.
bij de andere gele.
Ja, het is wel een hele andere kleur, maar dat geeft helemaal
I-check
niet.
natin.
Kan wel.
Ang garden ni Bianan, guys. I'll show them your garden.
Oké.
What is it right now?
Nou,
Look.
dan gaan wij doen.
Dito tayo magsimula. Oh, garden tour ni Bianan. Wow! Mas dumami na yung mga pa-flowers niya dito. Oh. I love it! Hindi ko kaya tong ganito sa bahay ko, guys. Kadami man itong gawin. Uy. Diba? Look at that. So, muy palaboy. Tagal nyo na din hindi nakapunta dito sa garden niya. Last summer. 1 taon na din. Ganda ng garden ni Bianan. Maganda sana yung ganito kung hindi ka tamad. Katulad ko. Meron pa siyang paganyan dito. Kung hindi ka tamad, maganda to. Pero ang OT din hindi garden. Suot ko po yung sandal na nabili natin. At ito naman, look at that. May mga pa-art siya dyan. Bakit ba ngayon ko to ginawa? Uy, na ang sandal ko ba? Narumihan na tuloy. Tama na siguro. May pag-gate-gate siya dyan, ganyan. Tara na, guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Nalubong ang sandal ko, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kaya huwag kayong magsandal na ganito dito. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, dahil yan sa sandal ko. Kaya ko nalubong man. Kabuang. My shoes are so pointy. When I'm walking there, it's going inside the floor.
In between the stones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pa-slice na ng cake. Meron akong sariling cake, guys. Kaya may mga itlog po yan. Show them my cake, mahal. Look. The traditional cake of the Netherlands. Tampush.
Yeah. Well, that's not cake, but
What is that then? Wow. Tapos mamaya may mga paso pa po tayo. No? Dala ng mga kaibigan niya. Oh, strawberry.
no.
Kain din ng strawberry.
Okay.
Iliit-liit ni mama.
Zeker.
Stukjes maken of niet?
Okay.
Still alive and kicking it, huh?
Zeker.
What did you say?
I said she's old.
You know, he was asking me this morning like, she is 76 now, right? I said, I don't know. That's your mom. I know, but you don't know. How can that be?
He meant 67.
Ah, 67. Oh, wow. Ganito dito, guys. Hindi sabay-sabay magkain.
2 keer achter 16.
Kanya-kanya, wala pang mga bisita. And
I'm doing my mother's favorite pastime.
Nap.
Making a puzzle.
Paso. You're still having soup later, Vika, from your friends.
Yeah. She's making soup and I made pesto myself.
Ah, okay.
Oh.
Lekker.
Maar het is heel zout.
Oh.
Want ik had, dus er zit dan van die kaas in, dan had ik er ook nog wat zout in.
Yeah.
Ja.
Grabe ang cake nila dito, guys. Ang cake nila dito ba puro cream. Ano yan? How do you say this, Vika? Cream, right?
Ja.
Yes, cream.
Pudding.
Wil je ook een kopje koffie wegen?
Lekker.
Nee, toch zonder.
Het is nu nog, ja, met.
Magawa na sila ng coffee. Tingnan nyo, ito. Puro din siya. Yung ano ba? Cream. Alam nyo anong oras magsimula ang birthday niya? 10:30 ng umaga. Tas coffee, tea. Yan lang talaga dapat. Dito sa Netherlands, coffee, tea, cake, pag umaga. Tapos hanggang lunch man ang kanya. Kaya magdala din po sila ng mga pa-soup. Vika, you know this? Yeah. What is borrow, mahal? Like sausages like that? And bread
And alcohol.
and alcohol at 12?
Part of a bottle is you have a little, the little glass with Berenburg or whatever, and then you have the cheese and the sausage like that.
You know, like, hindi na ako makapag-vlog pag may mga bisita na siya, guys. Bye-bye soon.
De bel.
The bell.
Bye-bye, guys. See you again later. Marites. Kuyawang Inday Garnet. Uy, para mang may pagka-teacher na may pagka-mantel. Ang mantel ng ng hapagkainan. Lumabas na po muna kami ni Nathan. Kaya gabi ka busy doon. Mga kaedad lang din ni Bianan ang mga kaibigan niya, no. Mga line of 70s.
Grabe ka
7:15.
busy.
Are you still waiting for the soup and the borage?
Vika would like it if we are there with the soup and the village. I
Yes, sabi
already
ni-
told her that maybe we're not staying the whole time. Mostly the old people.
They heard it. Mostly the old people. Sabi niya kung ano daw, mapagdesisyon na namin mag-alis na daw kami. Kay mga old people na, mahal, you're hurting their feelings, mahal. You'll be like,
It's nice to be with them too, but you know, it's because they are all talking to each other,
yeah.
and we are the only one of our age.
Ang isa dito, nilabas ko kay makulit doon. Merong ano ba, napiang. Ano yan, yung parang na-injured ba? Kaibigan po doon ni Vika. Ngayon may ano siya, parang may semento sa paa. Tapos sinatandaan ng daan doon sa kanya. Kaya nilabas ko na po muna, pinalaro dito. Wala na, nilabas niya na lahat ng mga laruan niya. Ikaw, magkain ka ng sabaw? Gusto mo sabaw?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
No rice.
Yes, yes.
Ha? Yes, rice. No rice dito. Sorry, no rice.
Sabaw, yes, rice.
We don't have rice here. Sabaw with rice. Sabihin niya daw doon. Yung about sa rice. Ay, nako. Dito na muna tayo. Busy sila mag-usap-usap, magmarites doon, guys. Kasi hindi tayo ano ba, sa mga minamarites nila, hindi tayo makasabay.
Yes, rice.
No, rice. Magkantaan mo kami ng Man Shelby. Stupid.
Yes, rice.
Or is it? Ay, dali na, kaibigan kita mamaya.
Yes. Another one. So, another one. Another one.
Ano? What's another one? Or is it?
Another one.
Ay, gara man yun, Chow. Man child. Yun ba? Di ba alam mo yun?
Na, 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 na.
Pataka ka lang, iba yan.
What?
Kapogi mo today. Magpapogi ka daw dito sa amin, Be. Paano magpapogi si Nathan, Be? Show us, paano magpapogi? Anong Cheese! Grabe, kaingay doon, guys. Tapos puro
Yes,
gas.
rice.
Ganun ang mga pag-usap nila. Tapos, ano,
Rice.
tig dalawa sila mag-usap. Hindi yung lahat nag-uusap ba na mag-usap po sila ng isang topic lang. Dito sa tabi mo, may dalawa mag-usap. Sunod na naman doon, dalawa na naman.
Yes, rice.
Dalawa sila mag-usap.
Rice.
Tapos sabay-sabay.
Rice.
Sorok mo yun siya, uy. Tapos, ganun di sila magsalita. Parang nagdura. What are you doing? Sa lahat ng paano ni Bianan dito, ano tawag dyan, uy? Papuno, ito ang pinakagusto ko, oh. Para sa bonsai ba ito, guys? Parang bonsai siya, no? Ganyan siya, maliit. Pero matangkad pa siya sa akin. Look at that. Kaya may physical disability ba tayo? Ano na? Saan tayo magpunta? Or magkain ka muna sabaw? Iba ang sabaw nila dito, ha? Hindi sinigang. Uy, hindi sinigang ang sabaw nila. Ang sabaw nila yung may mga may mga carrots. Gusto mo 'yon?
No.
Sayawan mo daw kami, Bi, kung magaling ka magsayaw.
Alay sabaw with rice.
Alin sabaw and rice. Tapos, Baby Love, mag-sing ka na happy birthday kay birthday ni Oma. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? How old?
Are you now? How old are you now? Alay are you? Are you older?
Maybe we can walk a little bit with him with the bike.
Okay, then I'll change my sandals. Nagdala ako ng isa pang sandal, guys. Kay pangit din. Sakit pala nito sa paa, oh. Maglakad-lakad na muna tayo. Ay para ano po si Nathan. Para ma-enjoy niya po ang buhay niya. Ng sandal. Let's go! Where are we going? To the bridge? Let's show them the bridge. Ngayon makita nyo na yung bridge. At saka ang neighborhood ni Bianan dito. Ito dikit-dikit po yung bahay nila dyan, no. Ang kay Bianan, Yung katulad nito. Tingin kayo sa mga pag-garden nila dyan. Oh. Wow, so nice. At yan naman, look, salon. You want to go there for a haircut?
No.
No.
I have my own salon that I go to.
Where?
Salon Inday Garni.
Ano? Hair salon, Salina. Ito naman ang bahay niya guys, yung one story lang. Mostly pag ganyan, matatanda na po ang nakatira dyan. Yung ayaw na nila ng may stairs. Are we also moving when we are senior citizens, mahal, to only one floor? Is that house? When we cannot,
Cannot walk anymore.
when we
We're still going up and down the stairs.
yeah, you're right. But when we cannot anymore ba?
We can install an elevator in the house.
Oh, elevator. Oh, may pa-boat sila guys. Oh, big boat, mahalok. Wow. Beautiful. Mayaman yan. Pag ganyan.
Lot of work.
Lot of work?
Yeah.
Why?
Take it out of the water every winter and repaint it and all the kind of stuff.
You know, I remember the first time we walked here, Mahal, when you brought me here for tourists, and then it was 0 degrees, and I was telling you, Mahal, it's like aircon outside.
Yeah.
We were walking out here. Dito talaga, we were walking here. First time you brought me in Leeuwarden. Yung first met ko kay ano ba, kay Vika. Nilakad po ako dito sa gabi ni Daniel. I remember the days. Ganda yan. Yung mga ganyan guys, mayayaman yan. Pag ang bahay mo, malaki ang garden sa likod, tapos may pa water, mayaman yan sila kay mga mamahalin pag ganyan.
Oh wow, that's really changed.
What?
The gardens between these houses.
Hmm?
I know them well because I did work in the garden and also with the houses for the neighbors.
Oh really? When you were young?
Pay me a little bit.
How much? Like how much per hour? 5
No,
euros?
per hour.
Oh, not per hour. You paint for them? And then you clean the garden also or not?
Yeah. Clean the garden, I paint the house, I remove the, what do you call it in English?
Ang
The
anak
plant
ko.
that climbs up to the wall, you know, and then it sticks to the wall, remove that.
Mm. Oh, that was cool. Look at that. So moy. Hello.
Hello.
And then how do you greet here?
I took
Ma.
care of the neighbor's cat a lot when he wasn't there, and also giving the cat medicine
Hmm?
with the injection.
Huh? How do you greet all the people there? Well, during the birthday? We all did this, guys.
Yeah, and then if you wanted real old fashions, you need to do 3 kisses like
Ganyan.
mwah.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ganyan ang old fashion. Pero ngayon, ganyan na lang. Oh. And then you say, ka-felicitiert. And you need to do it really good like that. Ka-felicitiert. Ganyan. May dalang gigil ba? Ang isa dito. Iwan sabaw daw, mahal. So we're waiting for sabaw. He's asking for sinigang. Do you have that? With rice.
No, Wika does not have sinigang.
Hello. Ano na?
Na.
Ingat ha. Show them, show them. Whoa! Kung nandito pa siguro ang nanay ko tsaka si April Select, nag-inuwi na yun. If my mom is here and April Select mahal, they will be like, putragis, putragis, putragis! When Nata is doing that. Alam nyo naman yun, mga overprotective masyado.
You were like that
Siya na
before.
siya. Before. But I changed. Ganon din po ako dati, no? Super OA ba? Pero na ano ko na siya, na overcome ko na yung culture po natin na ganyan. Dari na. Mostly kasi din sa ating mga Pinay na mga nanay. Masyadong overprotective sa mga anak ba? Kunting sugat lang. Ay! Ay, kawawa naman. Dito si Nathan. Kahit madapa siya, hindi na ako yung dati na ano pa lang siya, 1 year old siya. Ay, mahal!
I remember
Hmm.
that he is just sitting on the seat in front of the piano and you're ready.
Yeah. Maybe they have a lot of mosquito, mahal, no? Because they're next to the water, my love. You think?
I think this water has too much movement
Huh?
for mosquitoes.
Okay. Lakad-lakad na naman po tayo dito. Yung dito po na street, tingnan nyo. Puro isang floor lang po ang mga bahay dito. Mga yayaman din ang mga nakatira dito, guys. Isang floor means mayayaman yan sila.
Ja, dat weet ik. Maar als we jou niet zien en er zijn hier allemaal mensen en auto's die wat met jou willen doen, dan gaat het fout.
Ja.
Dus als ik je roep, dan moet je terugkomen.
Ja.
Oké? Ja? Ja, papa, zeg je dat? Goed zo. Kusje.
Nako ma. May international school sila dito, oh. ISCO, International Skako Class. Po?
Wil ik weg, bro?
No, doon ang bahay ni Oma. Sige na, bilisan mo. Magbalik na tayo kaya magkain ka na. Nagutom na daw siya. Magkain na daw siya ng sabaw. Nathan, 1 sabaw. No rice.
They all need to take a new test for driving lessons.
Yeah.
Gelijk.
They're not allowed to park there.
Big sign here, not allowed to park on freeway.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, na mayaman sila, guys. Tingnan niyo ang bahay nila. Oh, garage lang yan nila. Tapos yan po ang bahay nila. Halika na. Halika kay may pasabaw si Oma. Maybe it's sinigang or bulalo.
If not,
I think it's bulalo.
I don't think so.
Oh, yummy. I want bulalo with rice. Let's ask Oma.
Rice?
Hmm?
Rice.
Walang rice lagi. Grabe din ito. Kunti lang masyado ang bintana niya. Feeling ko ang big glass niya, nandoon siguro yan sa pag-garden niya. Nasa garden niya nga ang pa-big glass niya. Dito naman tubig ulit. Tubig, tapos may bahay dito na. Is that wood, mahal? Wood? What is that? Bricks and then they put wood?
What?
This house, look.
Yeah, maybe it's plastic.
Oh.
It looks like wood.
Kakaiba yung bahay niya dyan. Andito na po tayo ulit sa street ni Bianan. Balik na tayo. Tikman natin yung mga niluto ng kaibigan niya. Kahit ako, kung mag-birthday ako, tapos mag-ano ako ng mga kaibigan, gusto ko ganyan ba? Magdala kayo ng ano. Ang regalo niyo sa akin, magdala kayo ng mga sisig. Alam niyo na day, lechon, cake kay Dayan. Para hindi ka na mag-isip pa na magluto. Yan ang regalo ba? Wala ng iba. Kaya para yung magsama-sama lang kayo. Isa din
Dit
po
zijn
yan
3
sa
dingen, Garnet.
yeah,
3.
hiningi niya kay para ilagay yan ang borol, guys.
En deze
This is what you asked for, Vika.
73.
Oh, 70.
dat is hier.
Ja, nou hier zitten 3 dingen.
Sausages, cheese. This is what you asked, Vika, so you can do a borol.
Deze,
Much too much.
deze 3.
Die ook, ja.
I want to see your soup, Vika.
You want to see the soup?
Yeah.
It's tape soup.
Stokbread.
What is that soup?
Tape soup.
Tape soup. It's with tape.
Oh ja.
Is that? And we have stock bread.
Stock bread. Stock broth.
Yeah, baguette.
Who made this, Vika?
Jannie.
Oh,
Nata,
Yanni.
Blijf maar even hier, want in de garage is heel veel kattenhaar.
Oh. Zucchini soup. And the other one.
Paprika en zucchini.
Lekker.
Zit vol water.
Oh,
Paprika,
paprika
oh.
soup. Yummy.
Like to try some.
What do you want? Paprika
Bell pepper
soup or zucchini soup?
Paprika.
Okay, paprika soup.
Wat is hier toe?
That is gulay. Gulay soup. Ito yung ginawa niyang pesto sauce. Ano daw, salty daw sabi ni Bianan. You want to try, mahal? The salty pesto of
The
Vika?
salty pesto.
Grabe ang cheese na ito guys. Mas malala pa sa blue cheese. Parang it's like 100 days that you did not wash your feet. That's the smell. Ano pa lang, alas 12 pa dito, nag-wine-wine na sila. Kaya meron silang mga papesto, pa-cheese. Ayan. Pero andoon sa sala guys ang mga pagkain. You need to slice it. Uwi na po tayo.
Ja, tuurlijk.
Magdala pa ng mani. Mauna na kami guys. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
What is that?
Nootjes voor jou.
Nakadala pa siya ng mani guys. Oh. Are we going home now, mahal?
Yes, please.